Are you tired of the same boring background during virtual events and webinars? Well, here at Markey's, we were too. So we've created two unique studio spaces to take your event from this to this. Now, virtual events have taken the place of live events since the onset of the pandemic, but they're not new to Markey's. We've been successfully executing virtual events for years now. My name is Brad Ehrlich. I'm the General Manager of Markey's Rental and Staging, and this is Markey's On Demand. In this edition, you're going to learn about our virtual event space and how Markey's can take your next virtual event to new heights. We have two spaces to offer our customer. The first, Studio A, the space I'm in now, is our largest and most flexible space. Studio B, a little more intimate, a boutique studio, if you will, is located on our mezzanine level. Now, both of these studios are equipped with the state-of-the-art technology and, of course, our highly trained professional technical staff. Safety is important now more than ever, and we've instituted strict COVID-19 protocols to keep both our customers and staff safe during these recordings and broadcasts. Now, speaking of highly trained professionals, Pat Rhoda, seated at the other end of our studio, is going to give you a little more information on Studio A. Pat, take it away.
Thanks, Brad. Welcome to Studio A. As Brad was saying, this is a flexible space and it's a safe space. We have lots of room so we can physical distance between one another. We have a 32-foot stage, and you could actually, with 6-foot distance, put about 5 people up there at one time. We have a secondary stage here with an 8-foot desk that you can put 2 people, maybe moderating your 5 people on stage, or just a cut from one stage to another. You bring your show into our space and we adjust it to what you need. We have a 1x3 LED screen. It's a 3x1 aspect ratio. It can be directly behind you on the stage, or it can move out so it'll be over your head. Behind that, we have a star drape, LED star drape. If either one of those options aren't what you desire, we can bring in our black Traveler. Then on top of that, we can bring in our silver luster drape. So we have a lot of different price points we can make, and that's just the beginning. You can bring in whatever you want. We can add our decor anywhere in the room on our stage. We have lighting. Anything you would need, you can just ask for, and we can bring it up. We don't have to reset. We don't have to do anything. This is Studio A, a safe, flexible space for anything you need. But if you need anything more, our whole inventory is right behind this wall. Now I'd like to send it up to John Ely in Studio B upstairs. John, take it away.
Thanks, Pat. Welcome to Studio B, our new turnkey production facility located up on the mezzanine. Studio B is a 2-camera studio complete with playback capabilities, graphics presentation, and teleprompting. It's perfect for one-on-one interviews, straightforward corporate communications, and of course, we can webcast from here. So if you're looking for a studio that's easily configurable to your needs and suits your budget, look at Studio B. Brad?
Thanks, John and Pat, for that information. Now let's recap. We have options in the event space to handle a wide range of events and budgets. We have courteous and professional staff to help execute your event from planning through execution. We have strict COVID-19 protocols in place to keep everybody safe. So if you want to learn more, or you want a tour either virtually or in person, contact your rental consultant or email us at info@markeys.com. Thank you for watching Markey's On Demand. Have a great day.